Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, how's it going today? On a serious note, I'm a little bit upset and depressed about my whole channel. I've been at this channel for over 10 years now. I started it in 2007, although I really got it going in 2008. Now that's about 10 years. So I've worked my butt off trying to get up to this point, and I only have 538 subscribers. What is going on? I mean, seriously, just the other day I saw a channel that had just started up a month ago and is almost up to the same amount of subscribers that I am today. Can you tell me, please, what I am doing wrong? Let me know in the comments down below, and please help me. Do you want to see reviews? Do you want to see builds? Do you want to see live stream? Do you want to see mocks? Do you want to see do-it-yourself with electronics and lighting kits and stuff like that into your Lego builds? Do you want to see more toy reviews? Other stuff besides Lego? Let me know in the comments down below. I have to know in order to provide the content to you, my audience. Now, so please let me know what you think and what I should do. I will tell you this, at 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. I was disappointed that I could not get my 1,000 subscribers before this deadline of the demonetization thing. However, that is something I will work towards. Now, I've been really pumping out the videos the past few weeks to try to get more viewers and more subscribers. It has been stagnant and it has been at a standstill. There has been nothing. I have other things in my life going on. I have other projects and life itself. So I'll be cutting back on the amount of videos on this channel, and it may be once or twice a week instead of every day or 2 or 3 every day. I'm sorry about that. But once I get over 1,000 subscribers, I'll seriously consider upping more videos. I need your help to get me up over 1,000. Once I hit 1,000, there will be a drawing and a giveaway. I promise you that. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Tell all your friends, relatives, whatever. Just subscribe to me. I want to get up over that threshold of 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for listening to me, and I'll see you guys again in the next video.